Na zdrowie. This is Fatting Up Like a TV, and today is episode 2 of my diet, and we're gonna finally use the Keto Mojo. So as you can see, it's been unboxed, and we're gonna get it working. First, we're gonna do blood glucose. Gonna clean my finger and scotch. Now we're gonna get the handy dandy Lancer. We're gonna not working. Try this again. $97. I don't know if that's good or not. I had some food earlier and some tacos, a flour tortilla. So let's check the ketones next. So apparently, these strips expired June 30th last year. And my machine can't use them. So I don't know. We're gonna think things through, and we're gonna continue with this YouTube channel. Maybe get some more strips, but for now, we're gonna. I'm really disappointed right now. I didn't know computer chips had an expiration date. Man. So maybe next episode you can watch me pee on this. That'll be entertainment for YouTube. Yeah, so until next time, this is episode 2. Nothing happened. So tomorrow's another day.